Rachel.
And I'm Joshua.
And we're from Parrot Life. Today we're here with London, our resident Quaker Parrot. London's 6 months old. Quakers are extremely intelligent parrots. They're known for talking and for doing some amazing tricks. Today, London's going to show you some of his newest ones.
Good boy. You ready? Now turn around. Turn around. Good boy. Good boy. Can you shake? Good boy. Can you give us a wave? Good boy. And put that wing down. Now stretch. Stretch. Good boy. Good boy. Can you give us a nod? Yeah, you good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Where's London? Where's London? Good boy. London, you ready? You gonna get it? Good boy. What a good boy. So although London's only 6 months old, he's actually at the stage where he can identify 5 different colours. So we're going to demonstrate that here today. London, which one? Yellow? 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 Good boy, good boy. And which one? Blue? Good boy, good boy. Now to demonstrate that London actually understands the concept of colour and not just the object, we're going to swap the blue object for this ball and see if he can identify the colour again. Ready, London? Which one? Yellow? Good boy, good boy. Which one? Blue? Which one? Blue? Good boy. That's a good boy. Just to prove the same concept again. London, which one? Green. Green. London, which one? Green. Good boy. And which one? Blue. Which one? Blue. London, which colour? Blue. Good boy. Good boy. Thank you for watching our demonstration with London today. Be sure to watch out for more videos from Parrot Life, and remember, Parrot Life for life. Wave goodbye, London. Good boy.